Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code. So guys, you have to open Microsoft Store. You can download Visual Studio on Google browser, and also guys you can download from Microsoft Store. So click on start and just here open this store, and once you open it you need to search this Visual Studio Code, and here is the option to search. So just type here Visual Studio Code. Now guys you will see some options like Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio Code Insiders. So you can use and you can try, and also guys you can download this C, and just here click on install. And if you want to download from browser, so open any browser like Microsoft Edge or Chrome browser, and search here in search bar Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Press enter. So just click on download and you will see the option for your Windows. So download it from this any browser, and also this the official way, proper way. Just click here download, and it's about 6 MB. So it will take a couple of minutes, and once this complete just open it and set up. So and set up this application. So thanks for watching guys. This is the method to download and install Microsoft Visual Studio Code in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Just to stop, open store and search here Visual Studio Code and install it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.